Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
It's December and I want it to snow on my computer screen in a window kind of like this. So far, this is what I have from this program here. Every day until the 24th, I'm going to improve on the program to make it look even better. Right now, I have a number, any number of snowflakes moving down. It starts with a random pattern, but then the same pattern just keeps falling down, so it kind of looks like a jagged line moving. Today, I'm going to change the speed of the individual snowflakes to make it look more organic. The speed is defined here. Every cycle, every time I call move, which I call by request animation frame, it moves every snowflake 1 pixel. I could move them 2 pixels every time, so it would be twice as fast. I could move it 3 pixels, so it would be 3 times as fast. I could also move it only a half every time, and it would be half as fast or half as slow if you prefer. So to get each snowflake have its own speed, I was thinking if I could do the same as I did yesterday. I had this y-pos array with the y position of each snowflake, if you just remember, looking like this, where they all have different y positions every single time. If I could make an array of different speeds, that would be something. So I'm going to create it here. Let speed be an empty array. And then for starters, I'm just going to use the same speed for everyone. So in the init function where I set up everything, I'm going to set the speed of I, that is for every single snowflake, to, let's just set it to 2. And then down here, I'm not going to add the number, but I'm going to add the speed for this snowflake. And that would be speed I. So now every snowflake moves with the speed of 2. But I could change one of them, say speed 0. This one would be 1. So that falls a little slower than the rest, and I could say speed 2 could be 1.5. So now it's starting to look like something. So I just need the speed values to be kind of random. So maybe a little like this, not random times 100. Maybe let's just try random times 100. And let's see. Oh, some of them are very, very fast. Yeah, let's say times 10. Yes. It kind of almost already works. I have different speeds, but it's the same snowflake that falls at the same speed every single time. So maybe I should put it in here. Take this line, make a copy, and put it in the reset function. The reset is called every single time a snowflake reaches the bottom, and then it could start over, be reborn with a new speed. Let's see what that does. So then we have some, they drop, they reach the bottom, and they get a new speed. Well, that was what I wanted. That was quick. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, maybe just one more thing. Notice how these snowflakes are all different sizes. The larger ones seem closer and the smaller ones seem further away. Here, they're all the same size, so look more like falling dots than snowflakes. But I can fix that. I can change the size. It's easy enough in CSS. I can simply use transform scale, where 1 is full size and 0.5 is half and 0.1 is very small, and so on. But this changes all of them. I only want to change one. So I have to change the CSS of one snowflake. But I already do that here when I say flakes style.top equals something. If I were to say, let's just take this one out here, and let's say flakes 0.style.transform would be scale 0.5. That scales this one to something small. And remember, our math.random always gave us a number between 0 and 1. So I could use that in scale like this. I would get random value every single time. So I could use that. I shouldn't do it here. It shouldn't be while moving, but I could do it here. When I when I set a new speed, I could also set a new scale. That would be flakes I would have a new size. How does that work? Wait, oh, flakes is not defined. Ah, yes, of course. I create flakes inside the move function, and I create it inside the init function. I should put flakes outside the init function here at the very beginning, and then I don't have to create it again. So I have one array of all the flakes, one array of all the speeds, and one array of all the y positions. Let's see how that works. Yes, they have random. This must be because I was selecting something. So every time a flake hits the bottom, it gets a new size and a new speed. I'm getting closer, I'm getting closer. I'm pretty happy with this, so I'm going to commit. It's beginning to look like actual snow with random speed and sizes, and I think I can be pretty proud. Tomorrow I'll see if I can fix those that are simply too slow. See you then.